let's learn how you can bold your text on your Instagram post. So let's start by opening our Instagram application. I will just quickly create some post. And here we will reach the add caption option. So you can type whatever you want. And you will see that Instagram doesn't have built-in text bolder option. So what you can do is copy this text you made in caption, go back, open your browser, Safari or whatever you are using, and you want to search for bold text generator. So you can just go wherever you want. I will select the first one. In this box you will have to put your normal text, so the text you have copied from your captions, and here you will get your bold text. So we can just copy this and go back to our Instagram post. On captions you just want to type this new bolder text. As you can see here, when you click OK, your caption will be bolder. So that's it. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video.